Dips, performed on parallel bars, strengthen the triceps, shoulders, and chest. Keep hands positioned with extended elbows and shoulders lowered. Descend the pelvis below the bars for full motion. Avoid leg movements and maintain consistent form. Coordinate elbow and shoulder movements, stabilize dorsal muscles, and feel a pectoral stretch. Breathe in during descent and out while pushing up. Proper technique enhances benefits and reduces injury risk. Three, two, one. Australian pull-ups are distinct from traditional pull-ups as they operate on a horizontal plane, while the latter work vertically. When performing them, it's crucial to lie beneath your chosen support with heels planted and maintain a rigid abdomen, resembling a straight plank. Your arms should be positioned slightly wider than your shoulders, using a pronated grip. As you execute the move, aim to pull yourself up without curving your back, ensuring your chest remains open throughout. For those looking to intensify the exercise, you can modify your stance, such as placing your feet on a bench. Conversely, beginners can adjust their position or angle to simplify the movement. Three, two, one. Begin with an upright stance, legs hip-width apart. Step forward with one leg, bending both knees to about 90 degrees, ensuring the front thigh is parallel to the floor. The back foot's toe provides balance. Keep the front knee aligned, not extending past the foot. Proper form is essential. Three, two, one. Three, two, one. To execute the perfect crunch, start lying on your back with knees bent. Ensure the lower back remains on the floor and avoid rising too high to prevent strain. Keep movements smooth, without jerking the neck, and maintain regular breathing. Adjust elbow positioning for comfort, but avoid pushing with arms behind the neck. For added challenge, lift feet or extend arms. Proper technique ensures effective abdominal strengthening and reduces injury risk.
3, 2, 1.